Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today for our number talk, we are looking at these two fractions, 3/16 and 4/21, trying to decide which one is greater using reasoning and mental math. So these two fractions, they seem like they're pretty close. The numerators are just 1 off, the denominators are just 5 off. So it's going to be pretty close on this one. But let's reimagine this. This is one way that we could attack this, right? If I were to take 1 away from this and just turn that denominator into 15, well, 3/15 is going to be pretty easy. We can simplify that, right? If we divide by 3 over 3, right, that's going to be 1/5. If we do the same thing with this, just take 1 away, all right? That 1 away, and then we simplify 4/20. Let's divide by 4. Guess what we're going to get? 1/5. So both of these fractions are very, very close to each other. We didn't have to do anything to the numerator to get these close approximations. All we had to do was reduce the denominator by 1 part. So we went from 16 parts down to 15, 21 down to 20. So let's take a look at what that means. Because if I have to take 1 away, my question is, which one is going to be bigger? If I take away a 16th, or if I take away a 21st, which of those is going to be greater? Well, we know that if we break fractions just into parts, right, and we say that's 1/2, and then if we increase the denominator, the parts get smaller, right? That's 1/4. If we wanted to try to do eighths, it gets even smaller. So as the numerator gets bigger, the fraction pieces get smaller and smaller and smaller. So as we took away this 21, right, that's a bigger denominator than this 16. But what that means is this is actually a smaller piece that we took away. So if that's a smaller piece that we took away, and this is a larger piece that we took away, and remember, we are having to subtract that in order to get these close to 1/5. If we take away a smaller piece, that means there's more left over here because I subtracted a tinier piece. There's less left over here because I subtracted a larger piece, because a 15th or a 16th is definitely larger than a 21st or a 20th. So if there's less left over here and there's more left over here, that lets me know that 4/21 is just barely, but it is greater than 3/16.